Also, I believe that in order to clear these entrances, one needs to continuously keep on working hard and harder every single day, because some days the mock after giving the mock tests we are quite disappointed because we don't get the kind of results that we expect, while on the other days the exams might go on very well. So initially, when I started giving my mock tests, my accuracy was not that good, so I was a little disheartened. But nevertheless, I believe that one should keep on working harder and harder until and unless you actually gain a kind of confidence, and then the more you solve the papers, the more confidence you start gaining, and eventually you will be able to definitely succeed. So I would like to encourage you all to keep on working harder and strive towards excellence, because clearing these entrances are not very difficult if you are willing to work harder, and if you are willing to keep on practicing the past year question papers. And along with that, I believe the mock tests will be very, very effective, because the more mock tests you give, the more clearer your concepts become, because you are now practicing different types of questions, and that gives you a kind of confidence that will actually help you when you face the real question paper during the examinations.
And when I say that don't feel inferior, I'm very much serious. I understand what you all are going through. I went through the same. Even I was less confident, let's say for back 3 months ago, or for the entire year when I was in my college. So just trust yourself, work hard, be consistent, and you can do it. All the best for your future.
Now, coming to my preparation, I feel that you should really be consistent instead of just putting 10 12 hours every day and burning yourself out. Your main aim should be to make sure that you do all the past papers. The past papers of ISI and DSC should be a Bible. Do it 5 times, 10 times, just keep doing them. Also do the variant workbook, that's very important. I did that and it really turned out to be beneficial for me. And most importantly, focus on your basics. Like strengthen your basics as much as you can, because it'll help you not only for your exams but also for the interview, right? So I think if I can come this far, I definitely think that you can give this a shot and go for it. Thank you.
As I figured out over the past few months that in order to crack these entrances, it is not only important for you to have the knowledge of the subject or the topic, but it is also important for you to plan and understand how efficiently you can use your time to solve those questions in the paper quickly. And that's what EduSure has been training us throughout.
I would recommend all the aspirants to solve past years very rigorously, and to give a lot of mock tests, which will increase your efficiency and reduce your examination fears. Also, there are a lot of doubt clearing sessions which are kept. I would recommend all the aspirants to ask as many doubts as they go through the past 15 years. Uh, and teachers are always there who will help you clear your doubts, and stay calm and be consistent. These are the ingredients that will help you crack these examinations, and I wish you a lot of good luck and all the best. If I can do it, you can too. Thank you.